Girls on the beat.
Hi guys, my name is Ifeda and I'm a beauty blogger living in Lagos. And this look I'm doing in this video is this pink eyeshadow and pink lip look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate all your support. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends and family. And I really hope you like the video, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye. What's my Nuban beauty sponge? If you read my blog frequently, you would know that this is like my favoriteest sponge. It's my favoriteest beauty blender. I'm serious. I've never used the original beauty blender, but this one works so well. I like the finish it gives. Then I'll be going ahead to apply my foundation, and I'll be applying my Revlon Colorstay foundation in the shade Caramel. I hope this focuses. This is an amazing foundation, like this. You guys know already.
No be what you do or what you say, my love is single, no be plural, yeah. Brother, no be mount, but my baba, you be cool, yeah. Bonnie and Clyde, that's how I feel when I'm rolling with you. Number one, the African bad girl, and the star boy, you know how we do. Mwah, baby, you scatter my heart.
And doesn't soak up products. That's what I love most about this sponge. I hate when I use a sponge and I feel like my sponge is drinking my products. And the finish is just flawless. Like, I really like this one. Like, when people say, what sponge should you buy? What sponge should I buy? I want an affordable sponge. I don't think twice. Like, I totally, and this is not an ad, I totally love this sponge. Like, it's a beautiful sponge. It's just 2,000 naira, by the way. For those of you that really know the price, 2,000 naira works beautifully. And it's a Nigerian company. Nuban Beauty is a Nigerian company, so it's everything I stand for. It's owned by 2 women. It's a beauty foundation for combination to oily skin. It's like really great. And if you have oily skin and you're looking for an affordable foundation, you can try this. It's more mattifying than the Maybelline Fit Me. So, by the way, I'm going for, I was going to give you a little news. This is like a chit chat, get ready with me. I don't know, not really get ready with me because I'm not going anywhere. But it's a chit chat. So today's Tuesday and I'm going for NYC camp. In 2 days time. So pray for me, guys. I was posted to class. Okay, for those of you who don't know what NYC is, it stands for National Youth Service Corps, and it's a program, it's a scheme that the Nigerian government created, I don't know how many years ago actually, but what they do is they post Nigerian graduates after you finish university. They post Nigerian graduates to different states apart from your state of origin and the state in which you schooled, to experience and to serve their motherland. So you basically working and highly subsidized rates, and you work in, you're supposed to stay for 1 year and stay in a place very different from where you've ever probably been in the country. So I was posted to Plateau. Oh my goodness, guys, Plateau. So I'm going to Plateau in 2 days, and I really hope I have fun. I'm even thinking of putting together something like like an NYC vlog thingy. If you guys want that, just leave a comment down below. I'm thinking of how practical it would be to do that kind of a vlog, like show you guys how NYC is, and I'll probably give tips, you know, on how to, you know, deal with NYC. Everybody has been saying take it as it comes, it's not so bad, have fun. But I'm going to go for 3 weeks for camp at least first, and I hope I have fun. I hope I have fun. I hope I enjoy it. I really do. I think my parents met in camp, so so it's a little bit sentimental. So I really hope I do enjoy it. Okay, so back to the makeup. Go ahead to highlight. I'll be highlighting my face with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. If you guys prefer voiceovers, whichever you prefer, if you prefer voiceovers or talk throughs, please leave a comment below. I just want to know which. I'm just trying this out and seeing which you guys prefer and which works better. And also leave a comment below where you served, where you did NYSC, and how it was. Did you have fun? Did you hate it? Did you miss home? Yes, 3 weeks finished. So I'm blending that out in my Nuban beauty blender. So one thing I realized was that beauty blenders, for me, beauty blenders really change the way your makeup looks. Like, I feel like I can tell makeup done, face makeup done with a beauty blender to face makeup done with a brush. Like, I don't know, maybe it's just me. It's just more seamless. So I lost my former beauty blender. The other one I bought before, like a month before this, had the flat end. Then I don't know what happens to it. I just don't know. But I prefer that one to be. I prefer this one. Sorry, to be honest. This rounded edge one. Can you see that? Like, that's what you call blending. It blends stuff out so flawlessly. So when I go out these days and I'm like, yeah, this is what I want. I miss this. It's not like brushes aren't good, don't get me wrong, but it's not the same thing. I just feel it's not the same. And you always want to take your highlights to the sides of your nose. To give you the illusion of a slimmer nose. So I always take that concealer too and dab it over my eyes, like a base for whatever eyeshadow I'm going to apply. You get what I mean? Instead of putting concealer all over the again. So I'm going to go ahead and set the highlighted parts of my face with my Sacha Buttercup powder. So I reviewed this powder fully on the blog, and I'll leave the link to my blog below so you guys can check that out. I really like it, really. I've used the Makeup Rev banana powder. I even want to do a comparison post on both, but not today. I compare both the Makeup Revolution powder, banana powder, to the Sacha Buttercup powder, and to the Black Opal deluxe finishing powder in shade medium. I just want to show you guys how they feel. Though I actually did, if you read my review of the Sacha of this powder on the blog, I'll leave the link in the description box below. You actually see that it was quite a thorough post. I compared them. You even see swatches. I compared it to all of that and other setting powders I use, and I left the links to those setting powders, to the reviews for those powders in that post. So that post is really informative, so you can check that out. I'm still setting the highlighted parts of my face. So I'm going to go to the eyes now. I'm going to be using a number of palettes. But the style of the show, the lead shade is going to be the Zaron. I've been wanting to use this Zaron eyeshadow for forever. I'm not really a pink person, so I'm just see how well that pink even suits me. So, but I'm going to be using this, is like my transition, my transition palette. I reach out for it every time I want to put something in the crease. So I'm going to be using this orangey shade in my crease. I'm going to go into this Nuban Obsession eyeshadow palette and take this shade called Zaria. So it's a pretty shade. It's like a burgundy plummy shade, and I'm going to put that, concentrate that. But I'm going to come lower, you know, to give a little more definition. that's what you're getting. So I'm going to intensify that, to give a more defined crease. I'm going to go ahead and take this with the e.l.f. brush. So this is a much more, this is a tinier brush, and just go really low and really define this. So I'm getting the crease. You get what I mean? Like low here, slightly pretty. You can see I'm tapping. I can see there's definition there. A little bit of definition. I'm going to first spray it with the Zaron. And I'm going to take in this darker shade and place it in the outer V. Trying to prevent any possible fallout. I'm going to take more of that shade. So I'm going to take another brush. I'm going to take this Equal Tools brush and I'm going to apply the lighter shade. So I didn't spray the brush and I don't know how I feel about that. And tap that on my lid. I'm trying to get control here. So I'm blending that, so I'm trying to blend that into the other shade there. And I'm going to go above the crease, like in the crease, and sort of increase my definition there. So you guys can see that. Then I'm going to line my waterline. Yeah, I'm reaching out a lot. I'm going to line my waterline with the NYX HD Jumbo Pencil in the shade Milk. That plum shade in the Nuban eyeshadow palette, and just run that lightly in my lower lash line for completion. So I'm going to do this for the other eye and come back. Done the other eye. I've applied lashes. So I applied Fbc lashes, and so I'm going to continue with face. I don't just like to contour per se. Like I prefer to just bronze, because my face is, I have a long protruded jaw, a long jaw, so I just rather just bronze. So today I'll be bronzing, and I'm bronzing with this black Radiance pressed powder. On top of it. Don't worry, any harsh lines, settle that. So I'm going to use this side to highlight my nose. My Cupid bow. So I'm going to line my lips first with this black opal lip liner. And then fill it in with the Zaron matte lipstain. I hope this looks good on me. I really hope so. Whoa. It's such a neon shade. I didn't expect that. To be honest, I didn't expect that. Such a neon shade. So I'm going to just top it up with more lip pencil. I feel like it's too much, and I feel it doesn't even go with the eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and use the other matte lip stain, which is in the shade Posh. I've used this before in the previous tutorial, and I'm going to use to line the outer, like to fill in the outer parts of this lip. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Just don't worry. It's gonna be fine. I'm going to use a lip brush and blend it all out. This is an unintentional ombre lip. Well, it looks good. What do you guys think? I actually like it a lot. So I need to spray out this line I'm seeing here because it really affects my, my set. I'm gonna spray my whole face with the Zaron finishing spray.
Feeling like Puff Daddy back in 03. My J-Lo go low for an OG, yeah. OG.